This is a new Holland tractor which is sowing seeds in water. Separate tires have been fitted in this tractor so that the tractor does not slip in water while sowing and the tractor runs smoothly in water. There is a machine at the back of this tractor which is sowing seeds in the field. To watch similar videos, subscribe to the channel.